Hi, I'm here to say thank you because Nena Henojosa giving me pabaon for myself. I know for my daughter. I have one daughter. Then after that, malis ka dyan! Mamaya ka na nga. Plastic lang to. I'm sorry about that because my little chuchay is being disturbing my video. I won 300 pesos for ano, for for baon for the daughter. Here is here is the buying baon. Doughy donut because this is very expensive but delicious. Delicious. Then wait a minute. And this is extreme Uy, naka-plastic yan ha. Baka sabihin nyo, hindi ako pumunta sa grocery ha. This is ito, Tapos, Hibisco, Tapos, ito, the wafer. Do you want to see the resibo? Saan yung resibo ko, te? Teka lang, I post it ha. Play. This is the resibo. This is exactly 300 when for biscuits. 337. You know what but is 337? Because I buy some ketchup and Tasty Boy because I will cook some chicken for my lunch. This is the price. This is equivalent of 300. Did you see that? Ano ba yun? 337. So, if you minus the 37, it will be 300. Because I punch in the ketchup and the Tasty Boy. I would like to thank Nena for the baon. She will not she is not forgetting us and Team Nena because she giving me baon. Hey, you thankful to Nena. You see in the background. Punta ka dito sa likod. Di mo ba naintindihan? Pumunta ka sa likod dito. Magpasalamat ka. Yan. That's my daughter, Sophie. Say thank you to Nena. She is being kagigising lang. Makakala nyo wala akong anak ha. Excuse me, I have one daughter. Thank you din Nena for giving me baon to my daughter Sophie, and thank you Jejer, aka Dailin Sakano, for sending the money in the ruleta. Thank you. And who will be the next? You. Tapos na. Alis na nga dyan.